Hi everyone, Dan here. Got an update on the XJ Overland project. This Jeep is looking absolutely amazing. Our friend Lisa covered the mattress for me, well, the 3 mattress pieces for me, and it is looking amazing. So I'm going to give you a walk through the pretty much completed project here. So here you can see the completed project. We've got the zebra fabric mattress plus the 2 additional mattress pieces, and you'll see the lights and everything, cabinets, and I'm going to walk around to the back here and you'll see what it looks like from underneath. So there's a view at the back. This is basically bedding, storage area for pillows, sleeping bag, and so forth. And then regular cargo storage area here at the top. Now, what I'd like to do is show you how this thing converts into a bed. So the first thing I'm going to do is move this captain's chair forward. Passenger. And fully upright. Then I'm going to take the, I've got a bag of emergency supplies in the back here, and this drops down behind this captain's chair, the front passenger side, down below there. This mattress piece comes in right on top of that, and there's your passenger side complete. Now we'll go and do the other side. So I'll move the driver's side chair forward and fully upright. And get the, this is another 18-inch tool bag from Menards. Drop that in behind the chair. And that this mattress piece here then comes forward, and now you have both pieces, all 3 pieces in place. Now this is the solar panel. You can see I bought 4 ball valves and took the levers off. So I have 1, 2, 3. And then down there's another one, 4 ball valve levers. This is to keep the storage, the solar panel in place. So basically, to release, just pull that lever up there, and then this one goes up here. Then on the bottom here, I'll pull that one up, and the solar panel comes out. And I'll just put the solar panel over here for right now. This is by the way, this is the cover that comes with the X-Bull recovery boards, and that's pretty cool. Now, as you can see, we have a full-length bed, and that is pretty sweet. It's a nice configuration for an Overland Jeep. Just going to push this down a little bit and level that. But we have lots of storage at the top here. And then this is a full-length bed. And just to prove it, I'm going to go ahead and climb in it. Lying down, as you can see, my feet are in the Jeep at the end. And this is pretty comfortable. This is a green tea mattress, and Lisa did an absolutely fantastic job on this mattress cover. So very, very pleased. The Overland project is, for the most part, done. Very, very comfortable solution. That mattress is comfortable, and I am ecstatic about this. So that's the configuration. There are those X-Bull boards, recovery boards. They fit nicely on top of this Jeep. And the one X-Bull cover, as I mentioned, is being used to cover the solar panel, but the other X-Bull cover is being used to cover my propane stove. There you have it. Jeep Cherokee XJ Overland project is for the most part complete, and I'm one happy camper. We're going to take this thing on some adventures. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it all back together so you can see how this goes in, and I'll put the solar panel in. I've got a couple of grommets down here, if you see that. I bought those I didn't want this panel to be pressing in on the mattress, so there's one of those on each side, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this in now. And now you can see it's back to running mode, where got cargo back here. This solar panel is secured. It'll prevent anything from sliding forward. Those cushions, I'm actually going to put Velcro strap around to hold these back. They'll be strapped to the solar panel, and then you just slide the chairs back in their normal position and recline them as you would, whichever is most comfortable for you. But there you have it, one XJ Overland Jeep. Very cool, very happy with this, and pretty much done. I'll have to make some covers for the windows for privacy, so we'll use that same zebra fabric to cover these windows, front and back on both sides. And then the only other minor part is on this back window. I'm going to have a 12-volt DC fan. This window will roll down, and there'll be a panel installed here with a 12-volt DC fan, so we can circulate the air if we ever have to sleep in this Jeep. Ideally, we probably won't be sleeping in it too much, but in the event that we have to, it's ready to roll. And got the 12-volt DC lighting. All is good. This Jeep is ready for some adventures. Thanks for tuning in on this channel. Invite you to subscribe. Keep up to date as this Jeep is taken out on the road, and for lots of fun. Subscribe, share, and like this video. We'd appreciate it, and thank you for tuning in.